Main road here at the Coral Ridge Mobile Home Park was blocked by trees yesterday. You can see the debris has been pushed off to the side. Now, as estimates and storm damage assessments are happening, some fresh concerns about a wind advisory in effect and the possibility that more loose branches might fall.
All the years I've been here, it's the worst I've ever seen it.
The kids of the neighborhood had it easy today. Hop on the bus and go to school. The adults are left to deal with this.
Last 24 hours, it's been a nightmare.
Kimberly Ford says it was loud and it happened fast.
It was just something else. I've never been in anything like that before.
By the end, 3 family cars and the motorcycle lie under a tree now cut up. Her spirits way down.
I mean, I'm crushed. I don't know what to do.
I don't even know where to go.
Cindy Sadler recorded this video as she tried getting away from her trailer as the storm approached.
I saw the big water, like a big shield, just coming straight at me, and I'm just, oh no, and the sound of it was horrific.
Sadler, one of the lucky ones, no damage for her. Today, though, for the rest of the neighborhood, more cleanup to do, insurance adjusters to visit with, figuring out the next steps.
Thank God nobody was hurt. Nothing. Just a lot of homes and hearts.
In Prospect, Butler County, David Kaplan, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.